Hello students, welcome to my channel. In our last video we have discussed the topic chromosomal mutation, and today we have to discuss the mutation in case of gene. So the gene mutation we have to discuss today. So what is gene? That is the part of the chromosome and which code for a particular type of protein. Suppose that is the diagram of the chromosome, and in the chromosome gene, that is the part which code for particular type of protein, and these protein determine the body design or determine any character. So today we have to discuss the gene mutation. So mutation means any change, and if this change takes place at gene level or in the gene of the chromosome, then this is known as gene mutation. What exactly a gene? So that gene, that is the part of the chromosome, and in this part of the chromosome some base pairs are there, because chromosome that is made up of DNA, and what is the full form of DNA? Deoxyribose nucleic acid. We can draw the simple diagram of the DNA. There is the double helical structure in case of DNA, and in the DNA there are the base pairs present. Simple structure of DNA. DNA have double helical structure. This is the first strand of the DNA, and this is the second strand. One strand that is with black marker, the second that is with red marker. So now inside this strand, that is made up of sugar and phosphate and base pairs. So base pairs are present in the DNA, and these base pairs are divided into two categories: first purines and second pyrimidines. So the base pairs that are divided into two categories, purines, and in case of purine, adenine and guanine. Second, pyrimidine. So in pyrimidine, cytosine and thymine, but at the place of thymine uracil is present in case of RNA. So these are the base pairs, and the gene have nothing but the gene have these base pair sequence, and these base pairs are always in triplet form. ट्रिपलेट फॉर्म मीन्स तीन इकट्ठे बेस पेयर जब होंगे उनको हम रीड करते हैं इकट्ठे, और कोई भी तीन बेस पेयर जो हैं वो किसी न किसी अमीनो एसिड के लिए कोड करते हैं. सो इन द DNA वी कैन राइट हेयर A, G, and we have to remember this thing: purine pair with pyrimidine. So always A combine with T and G combine with C, and this T and C both are the pyrimidines. So A to T and C to G. There is a very simple memory trick to remind or to learn these purines and pyrimidines. For purines, pure as gold means this mnemonic is for the purine. So A for adenine and G for guanine. So both adenine and guanine, these are the purines. Then the second trick for the pyrimidine, that cut the pi. So cytosine, uracil and thymine, these are the pyrimidines. Now let's come to the topic gene mutation, because for the basic understanding of this there should be the idea of the DNA, the structure of the DNA in your mind, and especially the base pairs. Now this gene mutation, and this gene mutation is of three types. First, point mutation, second, inversion, and third, frame shift mutation. So firstly understand point. So point का what is the meaning of point? Point means very single, means you can say the single demarcation or the very minimum change like a point. जितना point बिल्कुल छोटा होता है, तो छोटा सा change भी अगर DNA के अंदर होगा, उसके जीन्स के अंदर होगा, तो उससे क्या हो जाएगा, म्यूटेशन हो जाएगा. सो वेरी माइन्यूट म्यूटेशन और वेरी माइन्यूट चेंज, that is the point mutation. And let us discuss this point mutation with the help of an example, that is sickle cell anemia. In case of human being, there are the normal hemoglobin, and this normal hemoglobin that is present in the RBCs, because RBCs have the hemoglobin which carry oxygen. So in case of sickle cell anemia, the shape of the RBCs that change from biconcave shape to sickle cell, and that decrease the tendency to carry oxygen also. So this disease is sickle cell anemia. But how this occur? This occur due to point mutation. थोड़े से ही चेंज की वजह से, बेस कोडॉन में चेंज होने की वजह से जो नॉर्मल सेल है वो सिकल सेल में चेंज हो जाती है. सो लेट अस डिस्कस. So hemoglobin, that is the protein molecule, and proteins are made up of amino acids, and these amino acids that are coded by some base pairs, and these base pairs we discussed, purines and pyrimidines. So let us discuss, that is the chain. This is the chain for the hemoglobin structure, and like the first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, at sixth position of the chain of the hemoglobin molecule, the codon sequence, that is GAG, and this GAG, this triplet codon code for glutamic acid. This glutamic acid, that is the amino acid, it code for glutamic acid. But there is the change, only this A. If this A is replaced by U, or this is the point mutation, if it is replaced by U, then this GUG, that is not coding for glutamic acid, but it is coding for valine. So हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे अब सिक्स्थ पोजीशन पे ग्लूटामिक एसिड की जगह क्या आ गया है, वेलिन. And due to this change, there is also the change in the structure of the hemoglobin, and so that this disease is there, sickle cell anemia. So I think you understood. Point mutation, very minute mutation takes place, and due to this single base pair change, not all the three, only the single base pair change, there will be the change in the structure of the amino acid and also in the structure of the protein. Next, inversion. इन्वर्जन का मीनिंग क्या होगा, इन्वर्स कि जो अपोजिट हो जाता है. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, एट द प्लेस ऑफ ए एंड जी, मीन्स ये इन्वर्स कर जाएगा. ये जो जी है ये आगे की साइड आ जाएगा और ए जो है वो पीछे चला जाएगा. ये दोनों एक दूसरे को से अपनी पोजीशन को चेंज कर लेंगे. सो दिस इज इन्वर्जन. सो एट द प्लेस ऑफ जी ए जी, नाउ जी जी A comes. So this is the inversion. But we have to remember this thing both in case of inversion and in case of point mutation, that before the sixth position and after the sixth position there is the no change in the amino acid, only at this sixth position. And for inversion also, suppose the sixth position, that is GAG. In case of point mutation, GUG come, and in case of inversion, GGA. But before this sixth position up to 5 there will be no mutation. After this also there will be no mutation. Only this change is there in case of point mutation and inversion. बट इन केस ऑफ फ्रेम शिफ्ट म्यूटेशन, द नेम इज फ्रेम शिफ्ट, कि जो पूरा फ्रेम है, जो पूरा फ्रेम ट्रिपलेट कोडोन का बना हुआ है, वो सारा फ्रेम ही चेंज हो जाएगा। अगर हम एक बेस पेयर को बीच में से निकाल लेंगे तो ऑल द फ्रेम दैट इज चेंज। सो लेट अस डिस्कस। For this frame shift mutation, I have taken one example, that why did the cat eat the rat. So why I am selecting the 3 letter, because the codons that are also in the 3 form like GAG, GUG. So for that मैंने एक simple example लिया है, इस simple example से आप इसको और अच्छे से समझ पाओगे। So why did the cat ईट द रैट। तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें से सिंपल एक वर्ड को हम यहाँ से हटाएंगे, दैट इज़ द डी। सो नाउ व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग, नाउ वाई, और ये डी अगर यहाँ हो गया तो 3 हो जाएंगे, आई डी टी, देन एच ई सी ए टी ई। सो ये सीक्वेंस जो है, अब पूरा जो फ्रेम है वो क्या हो गया है, चेंज हो गया है। so that it is known as the frame shift mutation. इन्वर्जन में और पॉइंट म्यूटेशन में हमने देखा कि यहाँ पर चेंज होगा, उससे आगे और उससे पीछे कोई चेंज नहीं होगा। बट फ्रेम शिफ्ट म्यूटेशन में अगर एक बेस पेयर का चेंज होगा तो वो पूरे फ्रेम को अफेक्ट करेगा, सो दैट इट इज़ नोन एज फ्रेम शिफ्ट म्यूटेशन। इफ एनीथिंग इज डिलीटेड then that is the example of frame shift deletion, like if I am removing this D, or if addition is there, if I am adding X here, so now the sequence will be Y X D I, because here X is added, then D T H E C A. so जो totally जो meaning है, starting में हमने बोला कि why did the कैट ईट द रैट, बट हमने कुछ डिलीट किया या कुछ हमने ऐड किया तो पूरा फ्रेम जो है वो चेंज हो गया और उसका जो मीनिंग है वो भी चेंज हो गया। सो दैट इज़ द फ्रेम शिफ्ट म्यूटेशन। सो आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज़ द जीन म्यूटेशन। सो जीन म्यूटेशन दैट टेक्स प्लेस इन द जीन, and that gene, that is the part of the chromosome which code for a particular type of protein. So I think you understood the gene mutation, 3 types: point mutation, inversion and frame shift mutation. This point mutation, the example sickle cell anemia, that is the very good example. So when we study this disease, then you can better understand there that there will be the point mutation, because now you understood the topic gene mutation. Thank you.